Howdy, my name is Emily Garcia, and today I'm going to talk about the impact of neonicotinoid pesticides on honeybees and royal jelly production. This is my table of contents. I'm going to present my findings over the course of 12 slides. Before we get into the main focus of this presentation, first let's talk about the importance of Apis mellifera, or honeybees. They are crucial to the development of human food and are the backbone of agricultural systems. It is estimated that honeybees' contribution to crop production for human food is about $190 billion each year. In addition to pollination, honeybees produce various substances, including honey, beeswax, and royal jelly. Royal jelly is a creamy and white substance essential for the survival and development of queen bees and larvae. It comes from young bees' hypophalangeal glands and mandibular glands. If a larva is inevitably becoming a queen bee, it will continue to be fed royal jelly throughout their developmental stages. Royal jelly, produced by worker bees, is crucial for the queen bee, ensuring the survival of thousands of bee eggs. However, the production of royal jelly is threatened by environmental factors, specifically the use of neonicotinoid pesticides. So the question that I wanted to research is, how do environmental factors such as neonicotinoid pesticides affect the production of royal jelly? First, let's talk about what they are. These pesticides are widely used in agricultural settings to protect crops from pests and are applied with either a spray or soil treatments. This type of pesticide is liked amongst farmers for its ability to target pests without causing any harm to the plants or crops. Though this type of pesticide works the best for farmers, it does cause severe harm to honeybees. Some of the things these pesticides can cause are disorientation, impairing honeybees' ability to navigate and forage, disrupt their memory. This can cause bees to forget what flower or plant they were on. And one of the largest and main ways to see if a bee has been affected is if they become lethargic and have a weakened immune system. This is not only an ecological problem, but an economic one, as honeybees play a major role in economics. As we mentioned before, honeybees are responsible for the pollination of many crops, including fruits and vegetables, contributing to global food production. After doing some research, I found a study that shared there has been increasing amounts of neonicotinoid pesticides found in royal jelly. In the year 2000, pesticide residue in royal jelly emerged and has been steadily increasing since then. After studying a colony, scientists Adrian Fuente Ballesteros, Patricia Bergernaro, Vindy Wynn, Anna Costa, Jose Bernal, and Anna M. Ares involved found 30 out of 176 pesticides that were studied were found in royal jelly samples. The bar chart shows the massive increase of pesticide residue in royal jelly from 2000 to 2023, or when the study was conducted. Another example we'll be looking at is the study that found a change in composition of royal jelly. Authors Caroline Woppenhorst, Jacob Eckert, Michael Steinar, and Sylvia Arrier gathered together and observed multiple colonies of bees. They gave some of the colonies neonicotinoid pesticides and found the royal jelly composition was different than the ones who weren't treated with these pesticides. A common version of this pesticide is called acetaminoprid, the fourth substance listed on the chart. As you can see, the concentration and composition is different from the other substances listed. Additionally, the study found that humans can also be exploited to these pesticide residues and that 60% of wax and pollen across North America showed contamination with at least one pesticide. The last study I will be talking about is one that found a negative effect on hypophalangeal glands, or the producer of royal jelly. Scientists Renan Gabriel de Almeida Sousa and Pedro Valle de Azevedo studied colonies over a span of 48 days and found that bees who were treated with neonicotinoid pesticides had a negative effect on their hypopharyngeal glands, not allowing them to produce royal jelly effectively. Now let's summarize. Pesticide residue will continue to increase in royal jelly. Changes in the composition of royal jelly were found after being treated with neonicotinoid pesticides, and there is an overall negative effect to hypopharyngeal glands after being exposed to these pesticides. So why does this matter? As key pollinators, honeybees directly affect the availability of human food and agricultural productivity. With pesticides like neonicotinoids, the state and well-being of honeybees becomes compromised. Neonicotinoids leads to foraging efficiency, memory loss, and a weakened immune system. This not only threatens the bee colonies but also disrupts global food security. As colonies become more stressed over these pesticides, they can collapse or have trouble reproducing, leading to a colony decline. As we mentioned, this poses an economic threat as well as an ecological one. The loss of honeybees due to neonicotinoid pesticides calls for action, exploring different alternatives for this type of pesticide, one that is way more friendly to our bees. Thank you.